Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Here I have guys the S26 Ultra. I'll be showing you to add filters to your photos. So let's say for example, if I take a photo, can be any photo or any picture. All right, so I'm going to use this as an example. All right, and here I am. I have the photos that I've just taken. If I go to my gallery, you'll see the photos. So let's say for example, this particular one, I'm going to show you to add filters to it to enhance the colors. Now, filters can be really handy, especially in situations where you want to change the color gradient or to make them pop or look a particular way. So to add a filter on the S26 Ultra, hit on the pencil icon, the second one here. From the left, once you hit edit, you're going to see a bunch of stuff. Go right here with these three circles. You're going to tap. Once you tap, guys, you're going to get original. There's an option to add. But notice here you have auto. You also have classic film. You have crystal. You have balance or balanc. You have pop film. You have aura. You have retro. You have, and of course they might not be showing so clearly because of the camera differences. There's modern film, and you can see them vivid, and there's black and white. All right. And you can download some additional ones here at the end as well from the Samsung gallery, or should I say apps section as an addition. All right, so let's say we want this one here, which is the modern film. You can always, on any one of them, you can tap and you can mess with the color temperature or the contrast. All right, so just in case you are not so familiar with those and you just want to keep them at default, it's quite fine. So when you use modern film, you're gonna hit save, and once you hit save, guys, you can go back, and there you go. It's now set. And guess what? The best thing, if in case you change your mind and you need back the original, simply hit on the pencil icon and hit revert. All right, so you can revert to original at any time and you can do it all over again. Remember to hit save on your finish, and that's it. That's how to add a filter to your photos. So that was helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.